What's up, everyone? Today I'm going to be showing you a giant ledge in the Catskills. I'm going to be hiking at night, showing you a gorgeous sunrise and some beautiful views. Let's get into it. Today I'm in the Catskills, hiking Giant Ledge, hoping to get that sunrise view that I couldn't get last weekend. So it's a little late start, but we'll be fine. It's only about 1.5 miles to where I'm hoping to camp, so let's get to it.
Definitely a little spooky, but that's okay.
Gotta say, I'm realizing how scared I am of the dark. Like, not paralyzed by it, but it's definitely creeping me out to be out here. Just every sound, just don't know what it is. Almost to camp, little bit of a climb, but not too bad. This is the overlook, which I'll show you tomorrow. And there's the edge. Not gonna get too close to that. But yeah, you can't really see anything, but there are mountains off in the distance, so should be a beautiful view in the morning. Home sweet home, made it to the campsite. Nice spot, fire pit, lots of space for tents. And like I said, the view outside is incredible. I can't wait to show it to y'all in the morning. Tent's looking good. Almost tempted to not put the fly on, but I think I will just to be safe in case it does rain. Made it to camp. It's about 12:30, something like that. Ready to get to it in the morning. And this time there will be a sunrise video. I am 99% sure. So looking forward to it. Catch y'all in the morning.
Well, it is morning. It is dark out, but it is morning. It's 4:30. Sunrise is in about 45 minutes, so time to get up and get after it.
Whenever I wake up while camping and I'm doing my morning stretches, I always think, God, I smell terrible. My wife's gonna be thrilled when I get back smelling like this. That's the ledge I was looking at yesterday. And that's why you don't want to get too close to it. This area right here is called Woodland Valley. Beautiful campground in between. And over there is heading towards Sheridan Mountain. And over here is Wittenberg and Cornell. It is time for some coffee. Cheers to coffee with that view. So since I got in so late yesterday, I didn't eat my dinner. So breakfast today is gonna be turkey chili with rice. Breakfast of champions. Had a few misadventures with the pot boiling over, but turned out pretty nicely. On closer examination, I put in a little bit too much water, but c'est la vie. Oh yeah. Just a slop of a meal, but man, is it gonna taste good. Although, my poor wife deserves better than me coming back smelling terrible and probably farting up a storm. It may not look like much, but it's pretty tasty. Well, that was delicious. Now, for dessert, we got Pop-Tarts. Frosted brown sugar cinnamon, a classic. Oh man, I haven't had a Pop-Tart in ages. I forgot how good they are. Holy cow. As breakfasts go, that's about as good as it gets, but time to break down camp, head back home. The campsite is even more beautiful in the daytime. The ledge is like 100 yards that way. Another thing that's cool, that campsite comes with its own private little viewpoint just behind it. Time to do the dishes. So what I do is just pour the camp suds and a little bit of water into the vessel, and then I'm just gonna wash it by hand basically. But I'm sure there are better, more hygienic ways to do it, but that's how I do it. I'll give them a proper wash when we get home, but that's good enough for right now. It's such a beautiful spot. It's an absolute pleasure to be breaking down camp, taking my time with it. Whenever you're breaking down camp, start from the outside and work your way in. So if you have a bear bag or a kitchen area or anything like that that's kind of away from your main tent area, start there, bring everything in. So that way it's just easier to check at the end of the time. If you're leaving anything behind, you can just check that main central area instead of having to go check a couple different locations. Goodbye, you lovely campsite. What a beautiful, beautiful place. We'll say, this trail is way less creepy in the daytime. Just an incredible place, an incredible experience to get to see the sunrise over that valley. I'm very excited I got to do this in summer. Last time I was here was in winter, so I'll show you what that looked like. Slightly different, but still beautiful. But very glad I got to come and hoping to come again, maybe in the fall, we'll see. Thanks for following along. That was a gorgeous sunrise, and I'm glad I got to share it with you. Click like and subscribe if you want to see more of my outdoor adventures, and I'll catch you on the next one.